Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making once again the TikTok viral cinnamon rolls. But this time I have tweaked the recipe to make them gingerbread cinnamon rolls. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, don't forget to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have a package of the Pillsbury Grand's original cinnamon rolls. There are 5 cinnamon rolls in this package. What I'm going to do is open them, take the cinnamon rolls out, and then I'm going to unroll the cinnamon rolls. So here I'm just taking the open end of the cinnamon roll and carefully unrolling it and just placing it down on the surface. So in this bowl, I have mixed a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. So what I'm going to do is go through and sprinkle some of this spice mixture on top of each of the cinnamon rolls along the line. So now that I have added the spice mixture to each of the cinnamon rolls, I'm just going to go back and carefully roll each of the cinnamon rolls back up. So this is the dish we are going to bake the cinnamon rolls in. I have already gone through and buttered it. So we're going to place the cinnamon rolls in the dish, and we're going to place the open seam side against the surface to help prevent it from opening while it's baking. Now we're going to go in with our heavy whipping cream. We're going to pour enough into the dish to cover up half of the cinnamon roll's height. Now we're moving on to the next step. In this measuring cup, I have melted 1/2 stick of unsalted butter. To that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Here I'm adding about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to the mix. Now I'm going in with about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Before we add our next ingredient, I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. At this point, I decided I wanted a little more cinnamon, so I went back in with about another teaspoon. Now we are going to go in with some molasses. We're going to add 1/4 cup to this mixture, mix it in really well, and then we'll be ready to pour on top of the cinnamon rolls. Now I'm going to go in and just pour some of this mixture directly on top of each of the cinnamon rolls. So I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to cover the dish with aluminum foil, and then we're going to place in the oven and bake for 40 minutes. So here are the cinnamon rolls right out of the oven. They smell heavenly, so good. So we're gonna let these sit out for a few minutes before we go through and drizzle the icing on top. Here we have the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. I had it sitting on top of the stove as the cinnamon rolls baked. That helped warm it up so it's easy to drizzle on top of the cinnamon rolls. So here we have our finished product, our TikTok viral cinnamon rolls with a gingerbread twist. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. While you're here, don't forget to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.